Hello everyone, welcome to Service Nokia. In this session, we will talk about HR templates, how to create HR templates, and how we can associate the created HR template to any HR services. So let's start with the definition. What is HR template in HR service delivery? So HR templates simplify the process of submitting new records by populating some fields on HR case or task automatically. So basically, why we need the HR templates? To understand this question, let's take an example. Like if we are submitting a request through self-service portal, that is employee service center portal in HR service delivery, and it is regarding payroll inquiry. The HR case will be generated, but in backend, HR agents needs to fill out few details to fulfill that HR case, like what will be the assignment group, priority, and so on. So with the help of HR templates, we can set the fields value automatically. Here in this case, we can set the assignment group and priority. Also, as we already know that HR template is going to be associated with payroll team, we can provide payroll related group over there. So once HR case will be generated, it will automatically get assigned to that particular group and priority will be set whatever we have provided in the HR template. In the same manner, we can pre-populate HR case field values with the help of templates and expedite the resolution of HR case. So altogether we can say that HR template expedite the process of resolution of HR cases. Now we can configure HR templates for HR services, HR catalog items, HR service activities, and lifecycle event activities. For accessing the HR template, we will have to navigate to HR administration, then HR services. Under HR services, we have HR templates module. Now let's see the practical demo of creating an HR template with the help of use case. Organization wants to configure an HR template and below is the requirement. So the name is medical reimbursement. Table will be fall under HR total reward case. HR benefits will be the owning group. The short description should be testing for medical reimbursement and priority should be moderate and it should get assigned to HR benefits. Now let's switch to our demo instance and try creating the HR template with the help of provided use case. So here you can see that under HR administration we have HR services and under HR services we have HR templates. Now we can click on new button. Table is HR total rewards case. Owning group is HR benefits. Short description is priority is moderate and assignment group is HR benefits. Let's submit it. So now the HR templates has been created. Now we will see how to associate this created HR template with HR service. So for that we will have to navigate to HR service configuration. So just for demo purpose, let's select any HR service. So let's select this one, and let's clear this one and put our created one. So recently we have created the medical reimbursement template, and we are attaching this medical reimbursement template inside the HR service medical reimbursement inquiry. So let's save it. Now let's check whether HR template is working for that HR service and populating the values on HR cases what we have configured. So let's create a case. Let's select any user. I am selecting able tutor here. CO is HR total reward case, and HR services medical reimbursement inquiry. Let's submit it, and let's check whether the assignment group, short description and priority is getting set as per our configuration. So here you can see that the assignment group is HR benefits, priority is moderate, and short description is testing medical reimbursement. So in the same manner, if you want to set values of some other fields, you can do it by HR template.